Time check!
Sawadee ka Tokon! Hello everyone! This is Teacher Adat, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone! Adika! Good morning Teacher Jihan!
What is this?
Thank you.
Nandito.
Anong sinabi mo?
Dalawa yung firma dito. Oh, dito tsaka dito. Saan yung susundin? Ito?
Ay, kuan man eh, Merkulis ug Friday. Thursday and Friday, apil man.
Ah, so isasabay yun?
Na 10,
11.
11,
Tayo
12.
na maglalagay.
Sorry ka. Good morning Philippines! Rise and shine!
Make up time! Good morning, Teacher Jen! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Lunes na lunes na, madyan niya pero ibungad na ako. So, nakakatamad ba, sir? Matatamad ka talaga kasi sinabi mo na. Anya haircut na. Loo. Don't listen to them. Hindi ako sa to. When destiny calls you, you must be strong. Good morning, Teacher Namtan. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning, Teacher Ming.
And I'm done with my makeup. Bon appetit! Cheers!
Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Okay, that's it for the day. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down.
You're welcome. Adi, give me your score kung kawikan. 52. Rios. 70. Jitsip. Jitsip si May. 70. Okay, very good. Natapon. Tong tapom. 29. Pater, tanapat. 60. Tanapom. Sipi. Tunpo, tawid. Nawa. FIFA. Kun. Again, please. Cow. Po. Sprite. 64. Fiat. Again, please. 29. Bao Noy. Tal. 54. Nua. Absent. Kadat. Where's the paper of Nua? Give me the paper of Nua. Ani hasip echimay. Ano na? 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Kau, kanya nat. Im chimay. 64. And cow, 65. City, 70. Very good. Bonus, 63. Paint, natapon. 58. Kautu, 58. Baitong, 50. Pinmok, 68. Parn, 21. Baitong, 31. An. Cheraim. August, 65. Pass all the papers. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. Ipon. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, I am going to discuss about countries of the world. What is capital city? Again, please. Okay, yes, the main city. All together read. Okay, capital city, in short, it is the head of the city or the center of the city. For example, the country is Thailand. So the capital city is, okay, Bangkok. How about Canada? Okay, very good. Ottawa. Next, USA. Okay, Washington, D.C. What do you mean by D.C.? Also gotta read, D.C. means USA. Okay, next, Mexico. Okay, very good. Mexico City. Brazil. Very good. Brasilia. UK. Okay, very good. London. UK means okay, United Kingdom. Portugal. Very good. Lisbon. Spain. Huh? Okay, very good. Madrid. How about Italy? Okay, Rome. France. Okay, Paris. Germany. Okay, very good. Berlin. Greece. How about Greece? Okay, Athens or Athens? Athens or Athens? Russia. Okay, Moscow. Turkey. Turkey. Read. Okay, Ankara. Okay, formerly known as Angora or Ankara. Egypt. Okay, very good. Cairo. India. Very good. New Delhi. New Delhi or New Delhi? China. Okay, very good. Beijing. How about Japan? Okay, Tokyo. Australia. Okay, very good. Canberra. Malaysia. Read. Okay, Kuala Lumpur. South Korea. Okay, Seoul. North Korea. Huh? Okay, Pyongyang. Cambodia. Phnom Penh. Poland. Okay, very good. Warsaw. Philippines. Okay, Manila. Singapore. Okay, Singapore. Vietnam. Very good. Hanoi. Laos. Okay, Vientiane or Vientiane. Vientiane or Vientiane. Myanmar. Naypyidaw. Indonesia. Okay, Jakarta. Let's have our quiz. Countries of the world quiz. Number 1. What is the capital city of Japan? Write the answer na. Kian Prayok. Write the answer. What is the capital city of Malaysia? What is the capital city of North Korea? Okay, ready? Give me your score. Gaan ka na, Pat? 14. Prod? 15. San? 25. Very good. Clap your hands to San. Nanfa. 9. Silom. 17. August. 19. Bank. 17. Cooper. 9. Porsche. 6. Panpan. 15. Pum. 16. Can. 6. August. 13. China. 3. Ongsa. Panpan. 22. Very good. Clap your hands to Panpan. Pruang Prach. 19. Bombam. 4. Chanatip. Namon. 8. C. 8. Kauhom. 2. Tugtim. 5. Chicha. 7. Tida. 7. 11. Sipet. Prim. 5. Peer. 8. Beer. 8. Fin. 3. Namkang. 2. Okay, that is for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Okay, let's start. Okay, very good. Clap your hands.
Hi everyone, today I will talk about my favorite countries. The first, my name is Greta Johan, my name is Wu, and in Material 5 Classic Team, my number is 13. Even though I am high, I still dream of visiting my own capital city, Bangkok. Places like Wat Arun are so beautiful and full of history that make you feel proud and amazing every time I see them.
Okay, clap your hands.
Today I'm gonna talk about my favorite country. I want to visit Switzerland because it's my dream destination with the beautiful mountains, stunning view, and delicious food. I want to try cheese from the most. Thank you.
Okay, clap your hands.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite country. Is a place. I want to go to Hawaii because it is one of my favorite places. I really love the city, and I heard that Hawaii has good weather all year round and beautiful nature. I would love to go there to relax at least once.
Okay, clap your hands.
Everyone, today I'm gonna talk about my favorite country. It's also the of China to see its incredible landmarks.
I want to go to Cambodia. There is a new airport that has the same name as mine, and I would like to visit this Cambodia. Also, still has many beautiful natural beaches.
Okay, clap your hands. Okay, everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class.